Jewish person and as an American, I am horrified by the Israeli government's massacre of well over 65,000 Palestinians in Gaza. I am ashamed and infuriated that this mass murder is funded by our American tax dollars. I know that my condemnation of Israel's bombardment of Gaza is not despite what I learned in Hebrew school, but because of it. I love being Jewish, and I am so proud of my tradition. Israel's actions are not in the name of Jewish safety, and it is the very conflation of Israel's actions with the Jewish people that continues to endanger Jews around the world. We have to look into the tearful eyes of the children of Palestine orphaned by American bombs and say no, never again is now, never again for anyone. Visibility is a responsibility. Those of us who have a platform must use our voices to ensure that speaking out is not outlawed altogether. Thank you.